Welcome to Luxurious Assets. In this channel, we are going to talk about many luxury things. So subscribe our channel to get the notification of latest videos. Without wasting time, move to our video. Today we are going to talk about the most expensive yachts in the world. So at the number one spot is Serene. This yacht is the 400. The firstly on our list, the most expensive yacht in the world. On the number one spot is the 439 feet Serene, built in 2011 for Russian billionaire Yuri. Serene has been one of the favorite rental yacht of the mega rich, reportedly costing celebrities like Bill Gates around million a week. It was purchased in 2015 by Prince Mohammed bin Salman for Saudi Arabia and sleeps around 24 guests and 52 crew members. It comes with multiple swimming pools, 2 helipads, and a submarine and an amazing underwater view room. So on our list, the next one is Al Said. The next mega yacht on the list is owned by and named after the Sultan of Oman, Qaboos bin Said Al Said. Built between 2007 to 2008, little else is known about the Al Said, other than it has a large concert hall that's big enough to house a 50-piece orchestra. Also, it can hold up to 70 guests. Sleep a crew of 154 and reach about 22 cannot. So the next one on our list is Radiant. The price of Al Said is about 300 million US dollars. So the next one on our list is Radiant. Built by Lorsen in 2009. Radiant is owned by Built by Lorsen in 2009. Radiant is owned by Emirat billionaire Abdul Al Futtah. The super yacht is roughly 111 meters long, weighs approximately 5,027 gross ton, and sleeps up to 20 guests and a 44 crew members. The Radiant is also equipped with a highly powerful water cannon to defend herself from pirates' attacks. The price tag of Radiant is about 320 million US dollars. So the next one is Dubai. Dubai is owned by the Sheikh of Dubai, Mohammed Rashid. Some of its features including a swimming pool with handmade tiles, a helipad, and a striking circular glass staircase which changes color when it lifts from above. Dubai also houses a split-level honors desk, several VIP and social area guest suites, and a crew of up to 115 people. The next one on our list is Motor Yacht A. This is very impressive looking 390 feet super yacht was built by Blohm and Waltz and launched in 2008. It's throughout to be owned by Andrei, a Russian billionaire businessman. Motor Yacht A can accommodate 14 guests and 42 crew members and is around 400 feet long. It features a 2,500 square feet master bedroom, a disco, a helicopter hangar, a separate 30 feet speedboat, and a glass boat-mated swimming pool. That sounds awesome. but its price is about 440 million US dollars. So the next one on our list is Topaz. She was built for Abu Dhabi Tycoon Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed in Germany and launched in 2012. The, the exterior was designed by Tim Haywood and Terrace Distel Design did the interior. It has a large jacuzzi on the main deck, a swimming pool, double helicopter landing pads, and a state-of-the-art gym, cinema, and conference room. Its price is about 527 million US dollars. So the next one on our list is Azam. This 590 feet mega yacht is the world's largest yacht to date. It's owned by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of United Arab Emirates in previous history and Emir of Abu Dhabi. Larsen Yacht are the ones behind this mega build. Azam has its very own missile defense system, a bulletproof master suite, and can reach speed of more than 30 knots or 3 or 35 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest yachts on the planet. So the third last on our list is Street of Monaco. The first billion-dollar yacht on our list is the Street of Monaco. By far one of the most expensive and impressive yacht in the world. Once finished, the Street of Monaco is going to be 509 feet mega yacht designed to feature miniature variants of some of the Monaco's and Monte Carlo's most renowned landmarks. So the second last on our list is Eclipse. It is owned by Roman Abramovich. The Russian billionaire has spared no expense when it comes to his super yacht. He's installed a private defense system including missiles detection sensors, intruder alarms, and armor planting and bulletproof windows on this master bedroom. On the top of that, Eclipse has 2 helipads, 2 swimming pool, 24 guest bedrooms, a disco hall, and a mini submarine. It's unclear how much Ellipses actually cost, but it is believed that it to be in the region of 1.5 billion US dollars. So the last one on our list is the most expensive yacht you ever seen in your life. It is History Supreme. Topping the list of the most expensive super yachts in the world at an eye-watching 4.8 billion in history is History Supreme. This magnificent accomplishment is built from 10,000 kilograms of solid gold and platinum and is 100 foot long. It was designed by Stuart Hughes and a world-renowned luxury designer for Malaysia's richest man, Robert Knox.